Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Happy birthday to you, my son. Happy birthday to you, my son. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Daddy has a box to unbox. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a package which arrived during my son's birthday, December 19, 2024. He celebrated his third birthday with the theme of Spider-Man family. But if I'm not mistaken, this particular package is a DC package, so we won't be pulling any Spider-Man for this one. So I'd like to greet my son again. Happy birthday. Shout out to you, Jascent. So I wish you good health, and of course to always be kind and be playful as you are. Okay. And if I can open this one. So this is a consolidation of a couple of things. The first one is an Iconics figure, and the other one is the last brick break for the Masters of Time in Oxet. Okay, so let's see if everything is in order. Okay. So you can already see the two boosters I pulled. The two regular boosters being the first one containing a Shadow Super Rare. Okay, so this is a great booster pull because Shadow is very useful. And the second one is Caveman Wally West pull. Okay, so also a good pull because that Super Rare is really great. Okay, let's see if all the cards are here. And yeah, so everything seems to be in order. I also have here the Superman Up and Away Iconics from WizKid Store, and it's a small box. I was wondering how big it is, and it seems to be a small item only. Okay, this is going to Larry, one of my friends here. Okay. He loves Superman, so definitely a good addition to his collection of Superman. And finally, my super booster from that brick break, containing also the last colossal that I need to complete the Masters of Time colossal chases, and it is the worm. Mr. Mind. Okay, and it also contains a rare Perdagaton, which is good. Okay, and it should have the team up card for Mr. Mind. Okay, so that's it for this quick unboxing. Again, quick because we have to go back to the birthday celebration. So for now, bye bye.